Hello, I'm Wesley, DIY Solar and Wind. Just wanted to share with you, these are marine battery covers, a marine battery box. Pretty handy. For those of you that want to start going off grid with a couple of your, like maybe your TV, a couple lights, this will slowly get you going off grid. These boxes come with the cables on them. And you can see on this one, this battery status indicator, and it lets you know how much of a charge are on the batteries. And you have little cigarette lighters on each side, so you can power up your stuff. Hook your inverter to that, and back to AC. That'll be enough of that.